John was living on a bench in London when he was offered paid work by roofer JJ Murray uploaded photographs of John working on the building site. His post went viral with more than 21,000 reaction and almost 5,000 shares. B. Rachel Burford for Mile Online published 12:04 EDT, the 19th of August 2017, updated 12:48 EDT, the 19th of August 2017. A homeless man who was living on a park bench was given lunch and paid work by a group of roofers. The man, known only as John, was sleeping in a park in London near where roofer JJ Murray had just started working. On Tuesday, Mr. Murray took to Facebook to share the heartwarming story of how John started working with the group, and his extraordinary post soon went viral. John, pictured left and right, was sleeping rough in London near where a group of roofers had just started working. The men offered him lunch and paid work. On Tuesday, Mr. Murray took to Facebook to share the heartwarming story of how John started working with the group. Said the men bought John lunch and then asked him to come back the next day for some work. "We brought him a cup of tea early in the morning and offered him to come and help the next day," wrote Mr. Murray. "He was first on site and worked non-stop. I have never seen anyone so happy to be at work." Mr. Murray added that John offered to work for just £15, which he said would get him through the week, but after a whip around, the men sent John away with £70 and a potential offer for more work. John offered to work for just £15, which he said would get him through the week. But the roofers bought John a Burger King and gave him £70 for a day's work. When leaving, Mr. Murray said John told the group, "Thanks brothers, it's the most love I've ever had." His gratitude was a real eye-opener, said the roofer. "Nobody willing to work should be living on the streets." Mr. Murray's Facebook post has received more than 20,000 reactions since it was shared on August 15. One reader said, "Makes my heart feel good to hear these stories. Wish there were many more of them." Another added, "If only there were more lovely people like you guys. The world would be a better place."